Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I am so excited about this collection. You guys don't even understand. We're gonna be playing around with the new Colourpop and Alice in Wonderland collection. I am so excited. I absolutely love Alice in Wonderland. Ever since that Colourpop has started doing Disney collabs, I was like, when are we gonna get an Alice in Wonderland one? Because I love Alice in Wonderland so much. It's one of my favorite Disney, classic Disney movies. It just has so much nostalgia for me, and it's like, oh, I love just how that movie looks. Everything about it I absolutely love. So when I saw that they were coming out with this collection, I about literally fell out of my seat. That's what we're going to be playing around with today. So this collection is launching on Thursday, April 13th at 10 a.m. PST. As always, you guys can use my code. It is just Katrina, and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. The collection will also be at Ulta, I believe, on the 16th. So I think that's Sunday. Usually Ulta does Sunday launches. So all the info and everything down below for you guys. You guys know the drill. I'll be doing some swatches, close-ups, a tutorial, and then giving you guys my review at the end of the video as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing that we have in the collection is the Lost in Wonderland palette. I love the design on this. I think it's so cute. I love the theme of the collection. I love the color scheme of it and everything. So this is what the palette looks like, and then when you open it up, it has Alice kind of like floating around with some little designs on it. This is what the palette looks like itself. I love the colors in here so much. It's so pretty. It's very perfect for this time of year. It's very springy, and I love that they went the pastel route for this, but I love that there is also that classic Alice blue, Alice dress blue in here. So this is so pretty. This has a mixture of mattes, metallics, pearlescent glitters, everything in between. I love this so much. It's so pretty, and it's just right up my alley. I love pastel eyeshadow. Next thing that we have, I think this is what everyone was so excited about when they saw a little sneak peek and stuff. This is the Oh My Fur and Whiskers pocket hairbrush. The perfect mini hairbrush and mirror to use when you're running late. It's so cute. So it opens up in this little compact. It has a mirror here. I'm trying not to blind you guys. I'll try to show it in the close-up, but it says late for everything, and then it just opens up into this little hairbrush, and it also has a little keychain and a little clip as well. This is so cute. I love when Colourpop does stuff like this for their collections. I am so happy. It's just adorable. It does feel a little cheap, but you know, I'm not mad at it. It's really cute. It fits in the palm of your hand, perfect. It also has a little chain. Love this so much. Thing which I think everyone was also very excited for was this little guy right here. This is the Forthright Beauty Pure Madness Overnight Lip Mask. It is in a birthday cake flavor. I'll show you guys the packaging. If you are a packaging collector, this right here is so cute. Love the packaging on this, but this is just so cute. I can't wait to put this on display. The little top of the mushroom comes off, and that is where the little lip mask is at. It says, have a very merry on birthday with our nourishing lip mask infused with squalene and shea butter. So that is the lip mask. So we have two Lux Lip Kits. We have an Alice and a Queen of Hearts one. The Alice one is called Topsy Turvy, and Queen of Hearts is just called Queen of Hearts. It says, swipe on our Lux lipstick in blur and cream finishes and high shine Lux lip glosses in a bright pink and a royal red hue. So the Topsy Turvy one has a I wouldn't say this is a bright pink. This is definitely more of a reddish pink for sure. And then the gloss is this sheer duochrome kind of gloss with a pink hue a little bit. It has some pink and gold glitter throughout it. And then the Queen of Hearts duo, this one is a very pretty true bright red lipstick. And then the gloss is so beautiful. This one is it has a black base with red glitter all throughout it. It is absolutely stunning. This is the one that I have on right now. Spoiler alert, I am obsessed with it. I thought it was gonna look more black on, but it is so pretty. So spoiler alert, I love the gloss. Those are the two Lux Lip Kits. I'm not sure if they will be sold on their own or if it's just in the duos, but I'll let you guys know in the description box. Next, we have two pressed powder blushes. The curtains are really cute. They have a little keyhole and then the hearts for the Queen of Hearts one. So this is what the packaging looks like for both blushes. This one is Oh Dear, and it has Alice in the little bottle going through the little doorknob. And then we have Queen of Hearts. This one's called Silence. Oh Dear is a warm, true pink, and Silence is a vibrant red. Inside of Oh Dear says, time can be funny in dreams. And then Silence on the inside says, off with their head, which I think is so perfect. And I love that this one is like a bright red blush. It's just perfect for the name and the packaging. Love this. Very well done. Last in the collection that we have are the new Shadow Stix, and I love the packaging on these. I love that each one has a different character. This one is called Not All There, and that one is this like really pretty like magenta kind of shade. Then we have Full of Wonder. This one has Alice on it, and this one is like a very beautiful like pearly lavender shade. The design on the lid is like Alice falling down, which I think is super cute. And then the last one is Care for Tea. So cute. I love that it has like the character popping out from behind the shadow stick too. And this one is like a really pretty, just like grass green shade. Love. But I think the packaging on the Shadow Stix is my favorite, just because it like looks like they're just hiding behind the shadow stick. It has pop outs on each side, which I think is so cute, and this would be so cute on display. That is everything in the collection. Like I said, this is launching tomorrow, April 13th at 10 a.m. PST. I will link everything down below for you guys once it is available on the website. This is a look that I came up with today. I wanted to do something very like soft and like pastel. Like that's exactly what I think of when I think of everything in the collection. So that's what I went with today. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on the collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into the palette. I kind of want to do something a little bit more pastel, so I have like a look in mind. Let's see if it plays out how I wanted it to play out. I really want to take these two shades right here, the blue and the like lilac color. So I think I'm going to start off with Curiouser and Curiouser. It's that like really pretty Alice dress blue. And I'm going to put this on the outer half of my eye. And I already have my eyes primed with the About Face eye primer. And I'm taking this on the lid and into the crease on the outer half of the eye. It's actually really pretty. It's very pigmented actually. It's kind of building up that color a little bit too, while I'm blending that out towards like the outer edge of my brow. Then for the inner part, I go in with Taking Flowers. And I'm going to put that on this inner part of the lid and just kind of blend those two together. Ooh, I love how this looks so far, even just these two. I really love blue and purple together, so I love how it looks in like a pastel form, because I really do like a darker blue and darker purple together. But this is so pretty. I'm gonna go back with the brush that I was using the blue shade on, just kind of blend everything together. For the lid part, I want to go in like kind of the corresponding shimmers. So for the inner part, I'm going to go in with Very Merry Unbirthday. This one's like the shimmery purple. Ooh, I don't know if you can really see this on camera because it's very subtle, but it's like a really pretty like duochrome bluish purple. Talking Flowers. Did I say Taking Flowers at first? I don't know. But I'm going back with that shade a little bit. I'm going to go in with Down the Rabbit Hole. It's this shade right here. It's like a bluish green duochrome. It's very pretty. And I'm going to put that on the outer half of the lid. This to be like very like soft and pastel. Ooh. I love that actually. Back with the matte shadows just to kind of re-intensify them a little bit, just because I don't want to lose that intensity and that color from the matte shadows. Because sometimes when you go in with shimmers, it can kind of like overpower the matte shades. So I'm just kind of going back around the edges. I think I kind of want to take one of the Shadow Stix. I'm going to use the shade Not All There. This is a metallic one. I'm going to kind of just go along the lash line like that and just kind of like smudge this out with a little smudger brush. Not to be too crazy. I really want this to look to just be like really soft like that. Just like a little subtle hint of that. I think that's pretty much it right now for the eyes. We'll finish up the lower lash line. Let me do the rest of my makeup really quick. I just did my foundation and bronzer and stuff right now. Try one of the blushes and then we'll go back to the eyes. For blush, I'm gonna go in with Oh Dear. This is the one with Alice on it in the little jar. This is so cute. This is like the baby pink one. So I'm just gonna take some of this. Super cute. Oh, it goes perfect with this eye look too. Super pigmented. It's not super cool tone either. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit more cool tone, but it's not, which I'm very happy about. I don't like cool tone blushes on me. But this is so pretty. I really like this. It's like very subtle, but just gives like a really pretty pink blushing look to your face. I don't know. I feel like I'm very iffy with pink blushes sometimes. Like I'm not a pink blush girl. I'm more of like a corally peach girl. But this is actually a very flattering pink blush. I want to try Silence eventually, but today I don't think is the day for that, but it's very pretty. I love bright blushes like that. Finish up the lower lash line. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the green shade, which is Mad Tea Party. I'm gonna take this one right here on the inner part of the lower lash line. And then I'll finish up the outer half of it with the blue just so everything blends nicely together. This makeup look is kind of like reminding me of like some sherbet ice cream, which sounds so good if I could have ice cream, but I can't. Such a pretty green. I really, really love this color. It's like a very nice minty pistachio green. It's very light, but I love it. It's like a very wearable way to wear green eyeshadow if you don't like wearing a lot of color. Back with Curiouser and Curiouser, that is so hard to say, the blue shade, and I'm going to put that on the outer half and just connect that to the top. I went ahead and just applied my lashes really quick. They're still drying, so if you see some glue right now, no you don't. Let me put on some inner corner highlight. I'm going to go in with I'm Late. It's the perfect inner corner shade. It's like nice and frosty and glittery. This is one of the pressed glitters. That just made the look, I feel like. It's so pretty on the inner corner. I also took some very, very lightly on the inner part of the lid just for like a little sparkle, and I feel like that really made the look. Let's finish this look up with lips. I don't think I'm gonna use either one of the lipsticks. I just don't think red lipstick or like that other reddish pink lipstick is gonna look good with this look. However, I'm very intrigued with like this black gloss. I want to see how it looks on its own. I might go in with like a lip liner and see how that looks too, but let me see what it looks like by itself first. The gloss that's in the Queen of Hearts little bundle. So let's see. I love this. Oh, this looks so good on its own. If you're scared thinking that this is gonna look like a black gloss, it does not. It's like this beautiful, oh, this might be like my new everyday gloss. This gloss is everything. Get this gloss. It is beautiful. It does not, if you're scared thinking it doesn't look like super black or like super crazy, it doesn't. It is beautiful. Beautiful. I think this might be one of my favorite glosses ever. I love how it looks. It kind of gives like this almost like grapey look to the lips. Like kind of like almost like a grape purple. I'm thinking it's because it's kind of like a black base with a lot of like red glitter throughout it. So it's very wearable. Seriously, so pretty. And if you look at it really close in the mirror, you can kind of see the specks of the red glitter throughout it. But it is so beautiful. I love this so much more than I could have ever even expected to like it. I was like very intrigued with it because I was like, this is kind of a gloss that I've been looking for, like something like this. And I feel like if you really want to take it to like the next level and like make it kind of like gothy, this with like a dark brown lip liner, or like even if you want to go crazy and do like a black lip liner, that would look so cool. Let me dust off this powder and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on everything. Give myself a little brush real quick with this little handheld brush. Love. Let me give you guys my final thoughts on everything. So I love this collection. I think this is so pretty and so fun. Love that this also, if you ever wanted the Aurora Struck palette, but like not something as big, I think this is a really good smaller condensed version of that. I think that this is so pretty. The only thing I would think of is that like when I think of an Alice in Wonderland palette, there might be like a red or something for like Queen of Hearts, but I feel like they kind of made up for that in the lipstick, so I'm not too mad at it. And I also don't think like a red would look super cohesive in this palette, if we're being completely honest. Love this color scheme. I love that it's very cohesive with the packaging. You guys know how I feel about that. I love the palette. I love both blushes. I think that there's a blush in here for everyone as well. So I feel like if you want something a little bit lighter for like light, from like fair to like medium skin tones, I feel like you'd be fine with Oh Dear. And if you're like more of a medium to deeper skin tones, Silence would look beautiful, but I think anyone can wear either one. I see this little guy is like the star of the show. I think it's so cute, and I love that they just did something fun with it. It's adorable. It's definitely something so cute for collectors. I believe that this is exclusive to the Colourpop website, so this won't be at Ulta. So if you do want this one, it will be on the Colourpop website. I love that it has the little rabbit right here. Oh, it says late for everything. I'm usually not late. I'm not a late person, but I love that. The star of the show is the little overnight lip mask. This is so cute. I will definitely be keeping this on my desk. So adorable. It smells so good. It smells, I think it's, what is it, birthday cake, I think? Yeah, it smells like birthday cake. And it's so cute. Love the lip duos, both of them. I like that there is a red lip. Like I said, I did want to see something red in the collection. When I think of Alice in Wonderland, I think of a lot of red as well. And I get why they didn't put a red in the palette, like I said, because I feel like it wouldn't go with it. But I love that they included the red in the lipsticks. But this gloss right here, like I was saying, this is a must. I don't know if it's going to be sold separately, so if anything, I would say pick up the duo, because it's like a nice, the red lipstick in here is really pretty. I also feel like this might look really pretty over the red lipstick as well, but on its own, it is absolutely stunning. This one is really pretty too. I would say between the two, I like this duo a little bit more, but I really do like the Shadow Stix. I think all three of them are really pretty. I love this one that I used on the lash line. Packaging is adorable for all three of them. I really do love everything in the collection. I love all of the makeup, but not only just that, but like the little extra products that they did as well. So I think if you're gonna pick up anything, if you just want something solely makeup based, I would say the palette and the glosses and the blush are like the standouts in the collection for me for sure. But if you're like a collector and you love Alice in Wonderland and like you just love Disney, these two are for sure. Like you definitely need these. And then the palette, and then probably I think the blushes again, and then like one of the lip duos. I would say with anything that you pick up, I don't think you'll be disappointed. I think everything is so good, so cute. So I really do love everything. You know, in the comments down below, what do you guys think about this collection, and are you guys gonna pick anything up? I want to hear your guys' thoughts in the comments down below. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys like this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.